Hi, today I'm meeting with an alumni of the Master's and Bachelor's Plant Science. I'm now standing in front of a greenhouse, a tropical greenhouse in Radek somewhere. And let's go and meet her.
So I'm Lotte. I'm almost finishing my PhD on oil palms in Indonesia at Wageningen University. So I started in 2003 in Wageningen on plant sciences, continued my master's here with a few trips abroad, and then also continued my PhD, and now I'm actually starting a postdoc again in Wageningen.
And why did you choose for Wageningen?
Well, initially it was just because I wanted to study plant sciences, and the only place to do that in the Netherlands was Wageningen. But I have to add, one of my cousins and also my father are both Wageningen alumni, so we have some connection. This is an oil palm. Okay, I have to say in the wild it looks, or in a plantation it looks different because of course it's much taller and now they've cut it off to fit in the greenhouse. But it's definitely an oil palm. And then I'm doing my postdoc on cocoa now, and here is a very nice cocoa plant, tree I should say, with some master and PhD students measuring photosynthesis and nitrogen content of the leaves.
What kind of chair group are you in?
I'm in the plant production systems group.
Yeah.
Here's the poster again, this oil palm.
This is your photo.
It is, yeah. And so we also do a lot of work on legumes in Africa, but also on yield gaps in Europe and as well in Africa. And here is our coffee corner, the center of the group.
Could you maybe tell me what you do in a regular day?
Well, it depends. There's two types of regular days. There's the regular days when I'm in Indonesia, and then a regular day involves going to the field, to the plantation, collecting samples from the oil palms, talking with farmers about their practices, giving training sometimes, that's always fun. And then there's the regular day in the Netherlands, and that is mostly about analyzing the data, writing up the results, supervising master students, having meetings at the chair group, reading a lot of literature.
Drinking coffee?
Drinking coffee, tea, yes.
And now your days are in the Netherlands?
Currently, yes. The fieldwork is mostly done for now. I do think with the next project I'll go to the field again, but maybe not as long, because it used to be 4 months in a row in Indonesia, and that was quite long.
Yeah.
And that is now finished.
Yeah. Okay.
Although it was fun as well, but hard work too.
Yeah, I can understand. Okay, could you explain me how do you get a PhD?
Well, I guess it depends. Some people really apply for a position when it's advertised, but in my case, I did my master thesis with the same professor, and he remembered my name, so he also asked me to continue with the PhD.
And is it like common to get a PhD after your master's plant science?
I think it's quite common, yes. Many people, especially those who really like research during their master thesis, they are interested to continue a PhD, and there's usually a lot of options.
Okay. And is there a difference between plant science now and plant science when you were a student?
Yeah, actually the difference is huge. When I was a student, we started with 11 people. Most were from a farming background, and I think now plant sciences has become more known, and it's also very relevant at this time, right? With all the climate change and food production, bees dying, so it's a different situation. I think there's much more interest in agriculture and in plant science in particular.
And how many students are there now, bachelor students?
I think about 100, which is, I never thought that would happen when I started.
How many were there in your year?
11.
11?
Yeah, and the year after there were 4.
Okay,
yeah.
That's a huge difference.
It is, right?
If you have more questions on the Master's Plant Science and the Bachelor's, click on the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the WURtube channel. Doei! Bye! Doei!